Welcome to Jay's Morning Brief for the NOFT Institutional Edge System for June the 15th, 2017. We do have a product now available specifically for Forex called Forex Alpha. You're welcome to check it out at that URL. I will post it in the description for you to review. Please remember that futures, Forex, and options trading is risky. You can lose money. Therefore, you should only trade with risk capital. Also note that all information in this video is provided for educational purposes only and is not an offer or recommendation to trade futures, stocks, options, Forex, or any other financial instrument. Nor is any solicitation of futures, Forex, options, or any other financial instrument being made during this brief. So starting out with 6E from yesterday, you can see I still have the arrows and whatnot on the chart. After the CPI news out of the US came out, a big move up on 6E straight up through the 1241 and 1268. That was kind of expected, such a big miss on the CPI. In any event, we went up to 1295.5. We couldn't get to the 1308. We reversed from there. We came back to 1295 after the Fed news. Man, did it come down from there just like the arrows suggested it would once it got back below that 1268 half. In any event, we've come down a very long way. What I would be looking for today is shorting from 1197, or if it does come up further, you'd want to be shorting from the 1206 on 6. Crude oil from yesterday, you can see that the 46.45 line was absolutely pivotal. After the inventories came out, we just dropped like a rock from there. So that level was beautiful. We got to 45.55, continued down to 45.95. Today, what I'd be expecting is a bit of a retracement. You want to be looking to short from either 95 or 55. So 45.95 or 45.55 on oil. I wouldn't really be entertaining the upside. My bias today would be on the shorts. ES again from yesterday, we did get above the 24.37. That area was key. Didn't get all the way up to 24.45. We were shy of that by a couple points. But once we got back below 24.37, and after the Fed announcement came out, big moves down from 37, not once but twice and around that area. And now that we're below 24.20, ideally you'd want to be shorting from 24.5 or 24.37 today. That's what we're looking for. In terms of any longs, I wouldn't be entertaining those until we get down to the 2400 area, so 2405 and 2400 on the ES. You can see on 6B from yesterday, 128.21, a beautiful level on 6B. Straight down from there after the Fed minutes, and a return to 127.60. And now we've worked our way down. So ideally, you'd probably want to be looking for shorts from 27.60. I really wouldn't be entertaining the upside until we get down to that 26.26. ZB, you'll recall that I mentioned that 154.06 to 153.29 was kind of a no-go zone for me, but we stayed above it. And after the CPI news, ZB just shot off a couple of handles all the way up to that 156.05. That was right around the high of the day, or to the tick. And we've only bounced off that 155.16. We came below that by about 8 ticks, I think. So I'd still be looking for upside action on ZB. Longs from 55.16 or 54.26. If it does continue up, I wouldn't be looking for shorts until we at least get to 56.20 or 57.10. So we've added some additional markets here. We're looking at Nasdaq. I would be looking for shorts on Nasdaq from 57.06.75 or from 57.39. Those are the areas that I'd be looking for. In terms of the longs, I'm not really looking to entertain longs unless you're looking for a return back to those levels to get short. But bias on Nasdaq definitely down. YM, similar situation. Definitely a bias to the downside. 21,288, 21,312. Those are areas that I'd be looking to short from. In terms of longs, not really interested in them until we at least get down to this 222 or down to the 198. If it goes beyond that, then we're probably looking at 21,140. So longs 21,198, 21,222. Shorts 21,288 to 21,312. Gold, again, big reaction off the Fed news yesterday. Gold, it's looking nice for shorts from 1264.1 or 1267.8. In terms of longs, not really interested at all since the inflation data has really turned negative out of the United States. So that's the morning brief for June the 15th, Thursday, 2017. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next brief.